Let me tell you my story. There are 4 of us in our group, and we've been friends for over a decade. My first friend got married and is now expecting her second child. Both she and her husband work at a bank, and they have a great income. Her husband loves her very much. In short, their family is the ideal family that every girl dreams of. Then there's my second friend. She's the opposite. She owns a clothing store and is also a freelance model. She's very beautiful and has a lot of admirers, but she says she'll never get married. She just wants to date. She doesn't think marriage is for her. But guess what? Suddenly, she announced to our group that she's pregnant. I couldn't believe it. She's over the moon, and the rest of us were speechless. Her wedding was just last week. My third friend doesn't have a husband yet, but she's in a serious relationship. We believe she'll get married soon, but that's not what I want to talk about today. It's about her career. She's the smartest in our group, makes a lot of money, and has her own business. She's very ambitious and just built a big house for her parents. Needless to say, her parents are so proud of her. And the last one in the group is me. I'm Mindy, and I just turned 33 weeks ago. I'm doing a job that I absolutely hate, and I don't know how much longer I can do it. But I'm scared to quit. Actually, I have my dream job. I still pursue it after work hours, but I don't know when I'll be successful. And about love, I don't even have a serious relationship, let alone marriage. You know, at my age, being single is considered a disaster. People who care about me will ask gently, "When are you getting married?" Those who don't like me will use my single status to mock me. But never mind, all of that is nothing compared to my disappointment in myself. While my friends are all making new progress in their lives, one is about to have her second child, another is pregnant with her first, and another has just built a house for her parents. It's just me with my job going nowhere. I want to succeed quickly so I can take good care of my mom. I want to take her on a trip to make up for all the hard work she did raising me and my siblings. But the more I want it, the more it seems to slip away, like I'm waiting for a train at the airport. As for love, seeing my friends get married made me restless. I couldn't sit still anymore. I started using dating apps, hoping to find a boyfriend quickly. But the people I met were terrible. There were even times when I hadn't finished a glass of water before I found an excuse to leave. After wasting time on pointless dates, I stopped dating and told myself that I guess I'm not meant to be. One time, I was watching a YouTube video and heard a quote from the Bible that said, "Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength." It means that sometimes the things we desire don't happen immediately because it's not the right time yet. We should trust in God, and He will give us the best at the right time. That quote was like a spiritual support for me. At the moment when I wanted to give up on everything, I also stopped comparing myself to my 3 friends. I also stopped being impatient when I saw them making progress in their lives. And it seems like my heart is at peace. Have you ever felt like me? Feeling very anxious when everyone around you is leaving you behind? If you have or are feeling that way, it's okay. Relax. Do well with your daily routine. Never stop learning and trying. Trust in God, and He will surely have a plan for you. And don't forget, good things take time.